got the glow. I got the freaking glow. Look at your boy. Look at your boy. Look how freaking animated. I look like a freaking cartoon. I got the glow. That's God glow, yo. That's God glowing. That's God glow. That's God glow, yo. I got the freaking glow. You can't take my glow away from me. I got the glow. So you have to love yourself. You have to develop yourself. You paint, you need to be painting. If you write, you need to be writing. If you play an instrument, then you need to be working on your craft. You know, you can't fake it till you make it. You fake it till you make it. Then what if you? So you fake it until you make it, and then so what happens if you run into someone like me, the real freaking deal? You'll get exposed. I look so, yo. Oh my God, I look so fake. Look at your boy, man. Look at your boy. Yo, self-love. I kiss myself today, yo. Mwah. Look at your boy. Look at your boy. Your boy freaking glowing, boy. Yo. Make sure I look immaculate. Look at your boy. Look at your freaking boy. Your boy freaking are glowing. I freaking glowing, yo. I got the glow. I got the. You see the dimples? You see the cute dimples? You see the gap? You hear the freaking sexy ass accent? I got the glow. I'm glowing. Yeah. Don't let no one take your glow away. Because your glow is your essence. Your glow is your quintessential. Your glow is your life force. Your glow is your soul. Your glow is your being. Your goal is your spirit. You know, they say when you ignite the fire in your soul and your spirit comes to life and it ignites and comes alive, then you glow. I glow because I have light. I have light. I am light. I am light. I am light. Light glow. I am glowing. I am light. I'm freaking glowing, yo. Look at your boy glow. Yeah, that's God. That's the big boy up there. See that up there? That's the big boy. That's the source. That's D-O-G. D-O-G. Oh, oops, I apologize. G-O. I call God a dog. I apologize. God. Bliss. God is bliss. God is euphoria. God is happiness. God is joy. God is sweetness. This is one incoherent video. I want to discuss self-development and personal improvement and how to become an advanced version of yourself, how to become a higher version of self, of you, of being, of essence. Things like self-development. Fix my microphone. I don't want anybody to see I'm using Apple headphones as my microphone because that will look so unprofessional. So let me hide it. Sweetheart. When you have God in you, you glow. You become God, God become you. You become part of God. You become a mini God. You become an extension of God, a subset, a secondary, a part of a whole. You know, you become non-dualistic. You know, you and God become non-dualistic. You know, dualism postulates that there are rigid distinctions between mind and body. You know, monism postulates that these rigid distinctions are part of the same phenomenon or epiphenomenon, but non-duality is a fascinating phenomenon because non-duality postulates that, that it's undivided. Non-duality is sort of paradoxical because dualism postulates that there's rigid distinctions. Mind and body has rigid distinctions. You know, that's duality. What am I saying? What am I saying? This is incoherent. I am so freaking blissful right now. You are high in bliss, bliss. Bliss is bliss is when you can experience the highest joy. Bliss is the highest joy the soul can experience. When one can find peace and serenity and tranquility in their current state of whether they have.
Close the door when you go out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're welcome. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
See? That's a freaking demon. That's the devil right there. I have to interrupt my video. So, what's my point? Bliss, man, bliss. I am in a state of bliss right now. Bliss is it's hard to put in perspective. Bliss is like a euphoric. Euphoria is like a joy, and bliss is like the highest euphoric joy the soul can experience. It's like when you find peace, serenity, and tranquility in your current state and current predicament, regardless of our circumstances. It doesn't matter how negative our circumstances are. We must learn to find or have gratitude for what we have. I can see, I can smell, I can taste, I can touch, I can play an instrument, I can read, I can write, I can educate myself, I can articulate, I can orchestrate kinesiology, motion. There's a lot of fascinating things like this. Have gratitude, man. Gratitude, freaking bliss. Yo. You see right now, I feel sweet. I feel so freaking sweet right now. I feel sweet. I feel sweet. Oh my gosh. I feel so freaking sweet today, man. Bliss. 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 And more bliss.